Ever invested with Stashaway and now wondering how to actually withdraw your hard-earned gains? You're not alone. Many people are curious about how to access their funds when the time is right. In this video, we'll break down the process of withdrawing money from Stashaway, making it simple and straightforward. Stashaway is a popular investment platform that offers a range of automated investment options. But what happens when you're ready to reap the rewards? Whether you need funds for a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or simply to rebalance your portfolio, understanding how to withdraw money is crucial. Before we dive into the withdrawal process, let's touch on a few important points. Withdrawal types. There are generally two main types of withdrawals. Partial withdrawal. This allows you to withdraw a portion of your investment while keeping the rest invested. Full withdrawal. This involves withdrawing your entire investment from Stashaway. Withdrawal fees. Be aware of any potential withdrawal fees associated with your investment plan. These fees can vary depending on the plan and the amount you're withdrawing. Always review your plan documents or contact Stashaway customer support for specific details. Tax implications. Remember that withdrawals may have tax implications. Consult with a qualified financial advisor or tax professional to understand the tax consequences of your withdrawals. Now, let's walk through the general steps of withdrawing money from Stashaway. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Stashaway account using your credentials. Locate the withdrawal option. Look for the Withdraw or Redeem button. This is usually located in your account dashboard or within the specific investment portfolio you wish to withdraw from. Choose withdrawal amount. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure you have sufficient funds available in your investment account. Select withdrawal method. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. This typically includes bank transfer, which is the most common option. Provide bank details. If you're withdrawing via bank transfer, provide your bank account details accurately. Double-check for any errors to ensure a smooth transaction. Review and submit. Review all the details carefully before submitting your withdrawal request. Once submitted, you'll typically receive a confirmation message or email. Processing time. The processing time for withdrawals can vary depending on the withdrawal method and Stashaway's internal procedures. Allow sufficient time for the funds to reach your designated bank account. Tips and best practices. Plan ahead. If you anticipate needing to withdraw funds in the future, plan ahead. This will allow you to make informed investment decisions and ensure you have sufficient liquidity when needed. Monitor your investments. Regularly monitor your investment performance and adjust your withdrawal strategy accordingly. This will help you achieve your financial goals while minimizing potential risks. Contact customer support. If you encounter any issues or have any questions during the withdrawal process, don't hesitate to contact Stashaway customer support. They are available to assist you and provide guidance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.